Hey guys, before leaving Lowe's, I noticed this beauty here, and I recorded it in a different aspect ratio, but my phone decided to flip it. So here it is, included in this one. If you know the name of this plant, please comment below. Now let's go on to Home Depot and see what they have. And for those of you who don't know, I'm Mona and this is Plant Therapy. And we're doing a plant shopping video. It was a little tight in there. They had a lot of the outdoor plants still inside. I guess they're going to move them out. They were pretty packed outside, so I'm not sure where they're going to put them, but let's get on to the house plants. Here we have some beautiful Dieffenbachia. $16.98 is not a bad price. And for the Vigoro plants, it seemed to be the going price for that size pot. Here's a beautiful Chinese evergreen. I think that's the red Siam, and I was just checking the price. It was $16.98 as well. Very pretty. And as you can see, as I pan through, there's plenty of snake plants, Dracaena. Everything looked pretty healthy. A little bit of everything in there. This is a nice pot of the Tria Star. Stramanthi. It's full. I see something hiding. What is this? They're packed in here. I want to see this one. The leaves. Do you see the size of this? How many plants there are in here? $16.98. And it's different. I love the margin. It's different. Anybody know the name of this? I found another one and they're soaking wet, but these plants are packed in here. Wow, you could get one for $16.98. You gotta get to it fast though and divide them up. Get them out of this wet soil before they die. Look at the white stones. I am so tempted, but I have so many aglaonemas. I don't know what to do with them right now. I'm torn. To buy or not to buy?